friends, and welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today we're going to be drawing a popsicle. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. We're going to start up here with this curved line for the top of our popsicle. All right, so it's kind of like a rainbow, but not a very steep rainbow, just like that. Okay, nice. Next we'll do our two sides. These are kind of straight lines that come down towards the bottom of our paper. So I'm doing a little bit of a curve to kind of connect them, and then a straight line down like that, and down on the other side. Now you decide how long or how tall you want your popsicle to be, okay? All right, next we're going to do a line across the bottom. That's going to be this line, and I want you to leave just a little gap there because we're going to close it with two little curved lines. So I'm going to do a line that goes across the bottom like that. All right, and now I'm going to close the whole shape with two curved lines on the side. One there, and then one here. All right, we've got our basic popsicle shape, and now we need our popsicle stick. All right, so let's do two straight lines that come down, one there. We'll leave a little gap and go right next to it. And you all remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause the video. Okay, and the bottom of that is another curved smile line. So all right, now we've got our popsicle stick. Okay, now this next part of how you divide up your popsicle depends on what kind of popsicle you want. Do you have layers coming down yours? Is yours more of an ice cream pop and you've got like some icing? So you decide how you're going to do the lines. I'm just going to divide mine up into 4 sections, and I'm just doing some slightly curved lines that go across my popsicle. And I'm not concerned with them really being even. I think it'll look kind of cool if they're not totally even. So I'm just going from one side to the other with some slightly curved lines. Okay, I've got my sections. Are we ready for some color? All right, I've got my colored pencils, and I've got 4 colors for my 4 sections, and then I've got this kind of a yellowy brown color for the popsicle stick itself. All right, so pick whatever flavor colors you want, and I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can always pause at the end if you want to see how I did mine and try to match my colors. I can't wait to take a bite out of that one. Okay, if you want some shadows, some highlights, you could do a little bit in the popsicle stick. You could get a darker brown, and we'll do a little bit of a shadow right there. All right, I think I'm about done with my popsicle, just adding a little bit of shadows here. Hey, how does yours look? You know, it may not look exactly like mine, and that's okay. The important thing is that you are having fun learning how to draw, right? I would love to see your popsicles, and you can share them with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids and get your popsicle into our Shine Gallery. I'm just adding a few more shadows here with some darker shades of my colors, just to make the sides look like they curve a little bit. And so you could do that too if you'd like. Add a little bit of shading right on the edge of every one. All right. Great job, friends. Until next time, keep on drawing, and remember, it's just lines.